I'm so happy to be back in the New York office. There's a certain energy when you are around people that's really hard to replicate on a small screen. The office is my space. I produce all of my best work here. When I'm at my desk, I feel like I'm at home. It's my favorite spot in the entire office. I know, my desk. It's boring. But I actually asked some of my colleagues what their favorite spot in the office was, and I'm excited to see what they said. This is Jeremy Wentz from People, and he chose the stadium stairs. This is Henry Yun on business analytics, and his favorite spot is the kitchen. This is Dan Pyatt on the engineering team. His favorite spot is the engineering corner. This is Steven Rivera on the customer success team. He chose the Nook as his favorite spot. This is Sophia Marchetti from business development. She loves the bell. Woo! Hey, Jeremy.
Hey, Angela.
Talk to me about your favorite spot in the office.
What's really cool about this spot is it invites collaboration. It actually just kind of throws it on you. You know, at any given time, you can see multiple people from different teams just collecting space here and coming up with new ideas on not only how to make us better, but just the little stuff and the big stuff.
It's just a really nice area to come to if you need a break. A lot of people have little meetings here. Anytime you need like water, coffee, a snack, kind of nice. And sometimes there's lunch served 3 times a week, which is really nice.
Yeah, so this is the engineering corner. We have all the teams kind of broken up into different pods and then products over there in the back. When you're in the office, there's just kind of like an air of collaboration that's so much easier. And so a lot of that kind of knowledge transfer and sort of osmosis of information is so much easier to work together.
My favorite spot in the office is actually the Snook right here. It's a really great place to have one-on-ones, even slightly larger meetings with people around from various departments. But it's also a great place to come and hunker down and get some work done that's not your desk.
I'm on the sales team. I have a particular affinity for this bell because when a coworker comes and rings the bell, it means that they've just closed a really big deal. That's why I love sitting here, because then the entire floor erupts into cheers and everyone's celebrating.
What do you love about the design of the New York City office?
I feel like when you come into the office, it just seems overall really serene. A lot of the green walls and the natural light, as well as just the windows that we have across the office.
You walk into this office and you're immediately just like blown away by how beautiful it is.
I definitely feel the most productive when I'm in office versus being at home. Again, you just get, I think, great energy. And being in the office, everyone is super accessible.
Hi, everybody. I'm Sarah Wilson. I'm the Chief People Officer at Rokt. So we use our values to govern everything from how we operate together to how we design an office. They are really core and fundamental to who we are. The amount of effort and time we've put into the detail, so it being comfortable and not feeling corporate or structured, I think is a big part of what makes the Rokt space unique. Our CEO is at a desk that is the same size as everybody else's, and it's smack in the middle of 2 departments. And his desk is the same size as my desk, is the same size as his EA's desk.
So I want to know what your favorite meeting room name is.
Yeah, so the New York office, all the room names are based on famous artists from the city. Pat Benatar around the corner, Notorious B.I.G.'s right here, Aquafina, but my favorite name's gotta be Cyndi Lauper.
I really like the meeting rooms that have circular tables because there is an element of community and like togetherness as opposed to some of the other ones that we have here.
What is your favorite part about Soho, the neighborhood that we're in right now?
There is everything you can do around here. So the food, the people, the cultures, the art. I can leave work at any time and be on my way to meet my friends and then have to come all the way downtown and all I have to do is cross the street.
Pretty nice for my commute because I come into Penn Station, so it's just a few stops down.
I want to show you the coolest part about this office, and it just opened up, our brand new roof.